Happy Monday, everyone, and thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We have some very cold conditions in the eastern half of the country. Temperatures running a good 20 to almost 30 degrees below average, thanks to a pretty big blob of Arctic air which has slid south of the international border. Snowfall potential on the outer fringes of this cold air mass that'll take us into the middle and end of this upcoming week. And looking ahead to next week, towards the end of January, we have some warmer temperatures as seen by the NOAA predictions, or at least Climate Prediction Center from NOAA there, and we'll talk about that. So there's that blob of Arctic air, again cold enough for some lake effect snow. Every one of the Great Lakes actually dealing with some of that, but on the outer fringes of this colder air, we have an impulse of energy that'll be sliding right through the Central Plains, heading into the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, and then back up into the Northeast. Again, some accumulating snows expected there. As we pan back to the west, still several impulses of energy working into the western U.S. from California to say Washington and Oregon. Lots of heavy moisture there. In terms of snowfall, you can see snowfall potential increasing over the central and the northern Rockies, also through the Central Plains, and then even into portions of the Ohio Valley and the Northeast. 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. For the January 23rd to 27th time frame, most of the central and western half of the country looking at some decent chances of above average levels. So after this cold air mass that we're dealing with now, that will feel quite warm. But look at how big it is. It actually stretches all the way down to the Gulf Coast states, the Mid-Atlantic region. It'll be modifying, so maybe not quite as cold on Tuesday or Wednesday in many areas as we see more of a zonal flow there as well. But that'll help to bring in some impulses of energy and some precipitation chances. Over the next day today and tomorrow, we're expecting anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees below average in that temperature department. 1 in Minneapolis, 9 in Chicago, 19 in St. Louis, and 70 for our friends in Phoenix.